Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and you're having a lovely day. I'm After Flora and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to cook a very appetizing dish made out of the dry soya chunks. Soya chunks are made out of the soya flour which has been defatted, or in other words the oils have been taken out, and that byproduct that remains has got that rough texture. As we all know, soybeans are renowned to have a lot of health benefits, and these are really good because they have a very high content of protein. Per 100 grams, you get 50 grams of protein. And they are solidy little chunks. I got my bag from the health shop. I'm aware that they are easily available in majority of the supermarket. Now when it comes to cooking, you can either soak them in the water overnight, and by the following morning they will be doubled up in size or even triple the size. I tend to soak mine into the hot boiling water and then leave them for 10-15 minutes submerged in the water. And while that's happening, I get on with preparing the sauce. Add hot water, add a bit of salt. They will start absorbing the salt. Mix it, cover it and let it stand. I want that masala gravy. So I'm just going to use my basic ingredients to make that sauce. I have actually done the video for the basic ingredients already. Please feel free to refer to that. I've just taken cooking oil in there, and once the oil is heated, add the cumin seed. And as soon as they start sizzling, I personally tend to add garlic right at the beginning because I want to get it cooked, and add the minced onions. Throw some salt in there, so that helps with the release of the moisture from the onions. Come back to the soya chunks, and as you can see, they're looking bigger than double the size. So the onions are done thoroughly. Will give you good color to your sauce or gravy, and also it will help with the flavor as well. It's very important to have them really nicely done. I can show it to you. The onions are actually releasing the oil. The ingredients that I'm going to throw is Kashmiri red chili powder for the coloring, and I have got some turmeric powder. Throw the dried fenugreek leaves. It gives you that lovely, and it's got that taste to it. It enhances the flavors. I have done aloo methi sabji where I've gone and explained in detail about the different types of fenugreek in the seed form, in the fresh form, in the dried leaves form. So refer to that one if you're not familiar with this spice. All those flavors coming out really nicely. And to this add the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, which are blended. To this I'm also going to add some tomato paste. If you look at that beautiful color of the onions and the tomatoes, and they are cooked thoroughly now. So that masala or the base of the sauce is done. I tend not to cook the ginger as such in the oil, and I'm using the ground coriander powder. In here I've got garam masala, is darker, and ground coriander powder is much lighter in color. Garam masala will go into the sauce or into the sabji right at the end, but I want the coriander powder to release its flavors in there. Water goes into my masala to make it delicious, rich curry. Grind these cashew nuts and add them to the sauce while the sauce is simmering. And look at that, the lovely color there. I've taken a separate pan and drained those. I've added some ghee. If you want to make it a vegan dish, you can just use some plant-based oil and drained soya chunks tossed with that ghee, or a bit of fry style to absorb that beautiful ghee into it, and it makes it much more tasty. They are turning into a nice color, so they are still soft. Pressing one and show you, so they've got a nice layer of the golden roasting there. The gravy has been doing really nicely. Transfer the soya chunks into the sauce. You may want to add a splash of water. Just going to let them simmer. So as you can tell, it's all nicely covered in that sauce until all the flavors are completely blended together. I'm going to show you one piece here. They're full of juice and they haven't gone rubbery at all. And if you look at that, the colors, the sauce has gone right inside the soya chunk. Dish is ready. Last but not the least, add some garam masala. That will balance the flavors. I never cook it. I want it for the flavor and that aroma. Add plenty of fresh coriander. And the dish is ready to be plated. Looking scrumptious, and that really lovely aromas coming out of it. It's ready to be eaten. On that note, I would like to say thank you for being with us, and I hope you've enjoyed that. Do give this dish a try, have a go, and share your cooking experience with us via the comments. And yes, do share and subscribe to the channel. So until next time, God bless you all. You take care, and bye-bye for now.